enjoying the breeze. अच्छी हवा चल रही है ना आज. Yeah. Ayushman is sprinting. Both the boys are sprinting today. Yeah.
दोनों competition.
He used to be an athlete in school, na Ari? School and. There he goes. आज sprints का दिन है. चलो mom, enjoy your
sure.
your time in the garden in the evening. Who were you talking to on the telephone?
कल्पना 6 बजे के आसपास फोन करती है ये सोच के
अच्छा
कि मम्मा इसके बाद चली जाएंगी.
हाँ.
और दिन में वो लगी रहती है अपने काम में. कह रही फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं सो गई आज 1.5-2 घंटे दिन में.
She never sleeps.
कभी नहीं सोई थी.
Yeah.
Because she was tired.
Tired. I think she keeps baking and making stuff and she gets tired. So guys, these are the boys who are doing their kuch aaj change in routine. And I'm enjoying my walk. I've already done 15 rounds of the house. And I'm going to do more. So here, this is the round I do. From here all the way there, front of the house, and then all the way back here again, back here, and I come back. So I'm doing that. So bye guys. ये सारे पत्ते I think अब मेरा टर्न है झाड़ू लगाने का. Ouch!